suck. Oh man, okay, but I do. Only if we drive, then everything would be fine. What is that? That's something! What is that? What is that? It's my car. How old are you? 5. I'm 4. How come I can't drive? Because you don't live in Megajug. Oh, really? Yeah, sorry. Bad luck. Oh, man. Aren't you supposed to be in this too? What can I do to get into it? Well, you gotta smack this dog's butt. Why that dog? Yeah, this dog. Why can't it be that dog over there? Because this dog is special. Okay, I'll smack his butt. I'm a baby dog. Okay, now how old are you guys? I'm 4. You guys go here. The end. Or I'll hold him.